Should I change my estate plan if I become separated? Hi, I'm Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So, like a lot of legal questions, the answer to this is, well, it depends. The primary question is this separation a temporary one? We're just trying to see whether or not we can continue to live apart or together, or is this with the intention of getting divorced? If it's the latter, then by all means, you need to revisit your estate plan. And why is that? Because until you get divorced, you're still legally married. And therefore, however your spouse is referred to in your estate plan, they continue to have that authority and those obligations and those benefits until you get divorced. So if you're separated with the intention of being divorced, it's a good time to update your will to make sure that your spouse is no longer in charge of your estate if you should pass, or your spouse is no longer a beneficiary of your estate if that's the choice that you want to make. In terms of your power of attorney and your advanced health care directive, until you're divorced, if your spouse is named as your agent on either of those two documents, they're going to be making decisions, legal decisions for you and health decisions for you if you're not able to make them yourself. So if you're separated, you may want to have somebody else making those decisions, especially when it comes to pulling the plug. Okay. If you have a trust and your spouse was a successor trustee or a beneficiary of your trust, like the will, that's something you want to revisit. But as important as anything, guardianship of your children. That's something that's going to be decided during the divorce, and you want to make sure that your estate planning documents will dovetail with whatever result transpires as a result of the proceedings leading up to the divorce. We have developed a checklist for steps that you want to take if you become separated and documents that you need to review. If you'd like a copy of that checklist, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have the opportunity to send it to you. Again, my name is Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.